I'm Gary Blassi. We've been picking grape for, my grandparents bought a ranch in 1923, had Zinfandel all those years, and this year we're kind of picking not too late, not too early, and I got some old vine Zinfandel. It's 100 years old, and that's a real good berry flavor to it. And the Chardonnay goes into the Chalk Hill Chardonnay, which we got 2 gold medals in 08 and 2 gold medals in 09. And this is a grape we're picking right now. Also sell Russian River Chardonnay, but this particular warning runs Chalk Hill today. So we started this morning at 7 o'clock. We'll probably finish about 12 o'clock. And we'll probably pick about 30 tons of it. I'm picking about 7 in the morning. Sometimes it's almost freezing. Other years it was almost 34 degrees in the morning. Your hands almost freeze shorting grape out. So this year it's been about 50, which we're lucky this year. And we're picking about a normal time, a little bit late, but not bad. And the crop is probably down about 1/3 this year. It rained the wrong time, and some of the blossoms didn't stick, so that's why the crop is down. And we got a little botrytis, and that's caused by this rot, and it's caused by raining too much, so I have to spray it to stop the botrytis. About 25 a bunch of rot. So the men go through, and they cut the botrytis off, throw it in the middle of the row, so the sun kills the botrytis. And we pull, the men pull leaves twice to get the sun in there, to get the right color for the grape. The warming wants to have a golden skin to it. And now we're picking. We started a couple of days ago. And first day is kind of, all new people. We have some old people. First day is kind of hard. Once we get going, then that's no big deal after that.
Good.
I've been farming, this ranch is 96. I've been farming all my life. We had prunes before, and then we went to grape about, planted Zinfandel about 1972. So Zinfandel.
Portando.
¿Cómo?
5, 16, 17.
Rodney Strong.
So who picks them up?
I pick them up myself. I have a guy, I hold my truck, some of them, then I have a friend of mine that holds the rest of them.
I'm counting their boxes.
Okay, how do you know the guy that's dumping them in?
2! Each of the boxes have a number on them.
Oh, I see.
Okay, and then they usually holler their number.
18.
18! And then some of the time I holler before and they don't hear me. 15! 15, I got it! 20!
So you see the bin, the number?
Yeah, the numbers.
Or they'll call it out.
They'll call it out. I got it! 3! I'm getting away. I know I've been here so many years doing it that I know a lot of the faces and stuff. 4!
First piece of property my dad bought was in 1941, and then in 1955 he bought the property we're going to take off from the winery right now. Then next door we bought that property in 1958. So we've had the property long. Sure, we dump into it like big corkscrew, and it puts it up a conveyor belt, and it goes into a bladder press. It calls. It's a great big inner tube, about a ½ inch thick, and it squeezes all the juice out. And that way it's real gentle. It doesn't get any stem flavor that way. It pushes the air compressor, squeezes it, squeezes all the juice out only. Great.
Call that a day, huh?
That's a day, yeah.